This is a problem that many gardeners face as their plants are growing. Didymella lycopersici is occasionally connected to this circumstance. Common signs include, although leaves that touch the ground may also be impacted, infection symptoms often appear on the stem close to or just above the ground. At first, the stem has sunken brown patches. The plant may wilt and finally die as a result of these lesions peeling off the bark as the illness worsens. Small black spots appear on the affected tissues. Lesions, or secondary rot, can then spread to the upper part of the stem. Water splashes disperse the fungal spores to other plants, leading to secondary infection and disease spread. Affected fruit turns black and begins to shrivel. It often develops under certain conditions, such as the above symptoms originate from the fungus Didymella lycopersici. This fungus can survive in the soil and plant debris. The fungus easily enters plants through mechanical wounds caused by cultivation practices, such as pruning. Alternative host plants for this fungus are limited to tomato, eggplant, and nightshade plants. Leaf spots contain fungal masses that produce spores. These spores are carried by wind or water spray to healthy plants. It is also believed that the disease can spread through infected seeds. Didymella stem rot occurs under a variety of conditions. However, cold temperatures, 20 degrees Celsius, humid weather, rain spray, or the use of overhead sprinkler irrigation systems are optimal conditions for fungal spread. Mature plants are also more susceptible to this disease, and soil deficiencies in nitrogen and phosphorus can exacerbate the condition. Natural remedies that may help include: preventive measures are the best option for preventing or minimizing the risk of infection. Certain strains of the fungus Trichoderma harzianum are an effective control measure against the fungus D. lycopersici, contributing to maintaining crop yields. If the condition continues to spread, some treatments may involve: always consider combining preventative and biological treatments, where applicable. Preventive measures are the best way to avoid disease or minimize the risk of infection. Fungicides can be effective if used promptly. Chlorothalonil-based products may be useful for preventing new infections. For better prevention in the future, use healthy seeds from certified sources. Plant disease-resistant varieties. Provide sufficient space for plant growth when growing in greenhouses to ensure good aeration of the foliage. Avoid letting lower leaves touch the ground by removing or pruning them. Water plants in the morning and avoid overhead watering. Ensure crop rotation with multiple plant species for at least 3 years. Plan for several weeks of fallow land. Avoid damaging plants during fieldwork. Remove infected plants as soon as spots appear. Remove stray plants, weeds, and alternative host plants in and around the garden. After harvest, remove and burn any agricultural remains. After working in the garden, make sure that stakes and equipment are completely cleaned. Keep temperatures above 15 degrees Celsius and humidity below 90% in greenhouses. To reduce the danger of infection, support tomato plants with eucalyptus, or reed, arundo, donax, stakes. The important thing to notice is that the bottom of the stem has dark sunken patches. The afflicted tissue develops tiny black dots. The plant eventually withers and dies. The fruit shrivels and turns black. Consider subscribing to the channel for further advice on caring for plants.